Yes, this high level of insanity for human being to be doing things the same thing over and over and expecting a change. The only thing that is constant in life is nothing but change. And to have this change, you must do things in a new way.
Geography is timeless, but change is a condition of history. You are welcome to ITSF show. It's your boy Lisomi Oluwatosin Martins. Why is change needed? Why is change needed? There's time for every damn thing on the earth. Time to come and a time to live. A time to be born and a time to kick the bucket. Nothing is permanent except change, because it is nature's mighty law. The major and basic fact of today is the tremendous pace of change in human life. Let me say one or two things about the story of eagle. Eagle has the longest lifespan of its species. It can live up to 17 years. But to reach this age, which is 70 years, eagle needs to take some hard decision. Because at this age, its long and flexible talons can no longer grab prey which serves as food. Its long and sharp beak becomes bent. Its old age and heavy wing, due to their thick feathers, becomes stuck to its chest and aids it make it difficult to fly. Then the eagle is left with only two options: die, or what? Go through a painful process of change, which lasts for 150 days. Relating this story to our basic life. Many times, in order to survive, we have to start a change process. We have to forego our old way of life, old way of doing things, and put on a new dress. We sometimes need to get rid of our old memories, habits, and other past traditions of ours. Note, only those who free themselves from past burdens can take the advantage of present. Everything flows, nothing stays still. What we need is to be flexible with our plans, because we are in an over-changing world. Without change, life would end in absolute stagnancy. I'm dedicating this right up to all Basi core members, because there are many of them I can't forget their memories, because they are dead to me, but you just have to go. Change is needed. Wish you all the best. Watch out for our maiden production titled The Copper Ties, the history and the logic behind a backward society by the core members Canada local government. It's your boy Lisomi Oluwatosin Martins.